guiding star. So here's to you, my dearest friend, a bond unbroken with photography without end. May joy and love your days embrace, for in their heart you hold a place, capturing their bond from internal bond with nature. You carved away your vision clear, a voice that rose when silence reigned, whisper, where did humanity go?